Okay, another way we can use the geo motion mats and desk mats in the classroom is in Florida we're required to have 150 minutes a week of physical activity, and it's mandated. So as you know, with scheduling, it's hard to get that much physical activity in. So we try to bring it into the classroom. Well, the school that I work at, Bonneville, we have a geo fitness lab set up. And the teachers actually take their students in there once or twice a week for 15 or 30 minutes, depending on the schedule. And they practice their multiplications, they practice physical activities, aerobics, a little strength training, balance, all kinds of things on the geomats in the fitness lab. But you know me, I love math. And so I try whenever I go in there, and I teach third grade, so multiplication is very important. So when I go in, I try to get the multiplications in as much as I can. They love the fun, cutesy things in aerobics, but I try to get the multiplication in as much as I can. But whenever we do it, we have a CD, the multiplication move CD, and it has counting by, and it also has multiplications. Well, whenever we go in there, they're just jumping around on the mat. So I use this poster and the desk mats in the classroom in order to create a more structured environment in the Geo Fitness Lab. So for example, the sevens are their favorite, and so we'll start with, say, the sevens, for example, and we'll do counting by. So I take the little feet, and the right foot is always the ones place value. The left foot is always the tens place value. So I'll say 7 if we're counting by sevens, and they'll put their right foot on the 7. And then we'll say 14, and they'll jump up. The 4 is in the ones place, and the 1 is in the tens place. So they move up on the mat. And then we say 21. The 1 is in the ones place, and the 2 is in the tens place. So it's fun here because they get to jump around and flip, and now they're facing backwards. So it gives them some fun activities.
7, 14, 21. Let's go surfing in the sun. 28 and 35. Balance 2 feet, don't take a dive. 42, 49 and 56. You'll stay up, I predict. 63 and 70. Keep on working, you'll be as good as me. 77, 84. No more surfing, you've reached the shore.
So we do this in the classroom as well, and it teaches them how to use the place value with their feet and hands. We go all the way over to the hundreds, because when you get in multiplications 10 and higher, you go into the hundreds. So it would be 100, and then these two would be on 0.
Surfing in the sun.
28 and 35.
Balance 2 feet, don't take a dive.
42, 49.